معزز خواتین و حضرات، السلام علیکم.
وعلیکم السلام.
For those of you who have the privilege and honor knowing me, I am humble servant of the community for past 47 years,
MashaAllah, MashaAllah.
both in the field of media and a human rights and community activist. It is indeed my honor that I have been given this responsibility by our host, King Travel, to be master of ceremony for this wonderful spiritual and Ramadan gathering consisting of prominent members of our community from social, political, financial world. I will not go into the naming each and every individual due to the time limitations. ابتدا ہوتی ہے تیرے نام سے. اب میں آج کے اس پروگرام کے آغاز کے لیے تلاوت کے کلام کے لیے جناب طارق غوری صاحب سے گزارش کروں گا کہ پلیز کم and recite the verses of Holy Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.